Hello YouTube. Well, I almost walked my head into it, but there's a swarm. Hopefully it's not one of mine. So what we're going to do is we're going to move that over to a box. I talked my lovely favoriteest camerawoman into holding the camera for us. So, safety first, because I don't like getting my hands stung. And I don't know where these bees come from originally. If they are one of my hives that just decided to go for a little walkabout. Because as I say, I've been messed up. It's probably the best I've felt, and I still probably shouldn't be doing this. But, so what we're going to do, we happen to buy a pair of snips today, by sheer dumb luck. And I've got a box to set them down in. So, hopefully we can do this without disturbing them too much. We're just going to trim ever so gently. Oh, we lost a couple there. It'll be just fine. So, I'm just going to grab the branch. We're going to walk them right over to a box I got sitting over here. Come on, Ash. Come on, Ash.
There's just a lot of bees.
There's the hive. And what I'm going to do is just take this whole branch and set it right inside.
Gently.
Gently. I'm just going to put a lid on it for now. Let them calm down a little bit. Because Ashley has her friend over and she wants to get back to playing with her friend. I can't blame her. Who wants to play with these things when you can play with your friend?
Me.
Show the box here, Ash? Show right in. It's fine. They're not going to get you. Okay. All right. Thank you, Ashley. So there we go, guys. I got some frames down in there. Hopefully the queen's in that bivouac, and we'll find out in a day or two. And just set that lid nicely on there. So, first time I ever captured a swarm. Let's find out if I'm good at it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.